Is network marketing worth doing in 2020? That's exactly what I wanted to go over in this video. I wanted to answer the question whether or not you should get into network marketing in 2020. So before I actually dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis, Monday through Friday, that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to grow an online business, and how to create a passive income right online. So if you enjoy videos like that, make sure if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button down below and tick that bell icon so you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. But without further ado, let's talk about network marketing. So network marketing is one of those things that there's a lot of people who absolutely love it, and on the flip side, there's also a lot of people who absolutely despise network marketing. So that's exactly what I wanted to, of course, talk about. What exactly is network marketing, and should you get into network marketing or should you do something else? So what exactly is network marketing? In case if you aren't exactly familiar with what network marketing is, network marketing is where you pretty much you sell other companies' products. You earn a commission whenever you refer a customer. But so I'd say it's in a way very similar to affiliate marketing in the case of you are selling other businesses' products, and then you of course earn a commission. However, the main difference with network marketing is that not only are you selling other businesses' products, but you're also selling their compensation plan. So how it works is you sell one product to one customer, and then that customer that you bring in, they could of course sell those products as well, and then also earn commission. So it's set up in a way where not only are you selling products, but you're also bringing in new team members as well. So the way how it also works is you also earn a commission whenever one of your team members that you bring on board also sells the products or the compensation plan as well. So it's set up in a way where you bring in one person, you start up at the top, and then you bring in two people. Those two people then recruit two more people. Those two more people then recruit two more people. So it's kind of set up in a way where it has like that kind of pyramid type of structure. But that's kind of where it tends to get a bit controversial. Some people, they love it, some people hate it, and really what it comes down to is there are people who see it as a great way to a very lucrative way to make money in the long term, because really what you're doing is not only are you selling lots of products, but when you get team members to, of course, duplicate the success that you're having, then you also earn, you also get rewarded from their commissions that they're, of course, earning as well. So it can be very lucrative in the long term. However, the downside with network marketing is that there's a lot of people who see it as, kind of like a pyramid scheme where, you're just kind of bringing more people in just so they can bring more people in. And some people even go as far as to claim that they're like illegal, but that's definitely not the case. But I wanted to talk specifically about whether or not you should get into network marketing. So I do have some bullet points listed over here. I do have some pros and cons that I wanted to exactly go over when it comes to network marketing. So with network marketing, I'd say the benefits to it really is that you don't have to create your own products. So really what you're doing, as I mentioned, is you are selling other businesses' products and then getting a commission whenever you refer a customer. And then not only that, but you even earn based on the level of success that your team members are having. So when you bring in new customers into that business that you're promoting, whether it's Amway, whether it's Herbalife, Monovi, eNagic, World Ventures, TS Life, a whole bunch of other ones. Not only do you earn a commission whenever you bring a customer in, but anytime one of those team members, they of course recruit more members as well, then you also get paid commissions on that as well. So for that reason, I'd say that's one of the major benefits with network marketing, is that if you could build it up in the long term and you can get lots of great success, when it comes to recruiting and also training your other team members, then you could definitely make lots of money within this industry. So it's a huge industry with huge earning potential. But the other benefit is there's no inventory. You don't have to ship out products to people. There's nothing no customer servicing or anything like that. And then the other benefit is that there's a low startup cost. So it doesn't you don't have to invest tens of thousands of dollars to get started in network marketing. I mean, really all you have to do is find a great company that you of course believe in, a company that has great products, and then you have to of course buy the product, test it out yourself, and then decide to market those products online. So those are the main benefits when it comes to network marketing. But now I want to talk about the cons about network marketing, the downsides, why you might not want to do network marketing. So I'd say the first major downside is that you have to actually train people. So the thing is, not only do you have to become good when it comes to recruiting people and getting people to buy products, but you also have to train them to do the same thing. So if you're constantly talking to people one on one, if you're constantly, bringing in, new members, the other downside is that you are going to have to, of course, train those people to get those same results if you want to actually get, long-term results with this. And the unfortunate reality is that it can get very exhausting in the long term. If you are constantly having to spend lots of time, training a bunch of people, going over everything. It is something that can definitely get exhausting over time. Second major downside is that most companies teach old school methods that don't necessarily work well today. So, network marketing is an industry that's been around since like the 1950s, very long time. The very first network marketing company to ever start was Amway. So they started in like the 1950s, and it's crazy to think that they're actually still around today. And there's a whole bunch of other companies that, of course, started around that time as well. There's Herbalife, there's Monavi, there is Isogenics, I know, is another one. There is World Ventures. There's a whole bunch of other ones out there that you can, of course, check out. But one of the downsides with a lot of these companies is that a lot of them teach old school methods that don't really work as well today as they did, maybe 10 to 20 years ago. So what a lot of these companies are going to teach you to do is, contact all your friends and family, meet with your neighbors, chat with your coworkers, and share with them your opportunity that you have. Show them your products, your compensation plan, go over everything with them, and then get them to buy into the deal. Now, the problem with that is that, for one, a lot of people are just going to see you as, they're going to see you as, like, kind of, being a bit too pitchy. A lot of people don't, want to work with people like that, where, they're just trying to, pitch them something. It is known to, of course, if you do that enough times, then you could, of course, lose friends that way. So that's kind of one downside about it. But then the other downside with this is that eventually you're going to run out of people to talk to. If you're just relying on people in your local area to talk to, eventually you're going to run out of people to, talk to about, whatever it is that you have to promote. So I'd say, really, if you want to succeed with network marketing long term, or really with selling anything online, selling or promoting anything online, you have to learn how to market effectively online. This is really the way to go, because when you're marketing online, you have access to, millions of people that you could, of course, communicate with. You could, create videos, you can create content, and then you could reach, a much bigger audience much faster if you learn to market effectively online. So when it comes to network marketing, a lot of the people who, they make the most money with network marketing, they're doing things like, they're learning how to market online. And, the other downside is that a lot of these people, they aren't necessarily teaching this stuff to their team. They're telling them, okay, go contact your friends and family, talk to 3 people, get them to talk to 3 people as well, and then, sell the products that way. So I'd say that's one of the major downsides with network marketing. But the third downside with network marketing, and this is, I'd say, what is, I'd say, the biggest reason why I personally am not in network marketing anymore, is that commission rates usually aren't that great, which kind of brings me to my next point that I want to mention. I do have it somewhere down here. Is that you're going to be dealing with a lot of unmotivated people. So in order to really make the most money possible with network marketing, not only do you have to become great when it comes to recruiting people consistently, but you also have to get them to bring in other members as well. So regardless of, what strategy you're showing people, regardless of how great your training is that you provide that for them, or whatever resources that you provide for your team members, the unfortunate reality is that most people are very unmotivated to make a change in their life. Most people, they want to join something, one day, and then they're hoping to get, make thousands instantly overnight. And, that's another thing with network marketing, is that a lot of people, they make these, they're kind of known to make these huge claims where, if you, join our company, you could easily make, this amount of money, fairly quickly. And they kind of, a lot of these companies tend to, hype up things quite a bit. So that's another thing that I don't actually have that in my notes, but that's another thing that kind of gives the name a bit of a bad industry. But the main point that I wanted to make about network marketing is that in order to really do well, not only do you have to become great when it comes to recruiting people consistently, but you also have to get them to duplicate your results as well. And if you're constantly dealing with if you're constantly bringing a lot of people on board, and you're training them, not only can that get exhausting with having to go over everything multiple times, but a lot of people are just going to be unmotivated to really do the work consistently. And a lot of people, they want to get rather rich rather quickly. So that's kind of the downside with it. And then a lot of people regardless of how great, the training is that you're providing, most people, I'd say like 19 out of 20 people that you bring in, they're going to give up, very early on, and then you're going to end up, not making anything from, their efforts as well. So in order to really make the most money possible is not only do you have to become great when it comes to recruiting, but your other team members as well. Since the commission rates aren't that great, you also have to get them to duplicate your results as well. So that's really my main point that I want to go over when it comes to network marketing. But anyway, so you're watching this video right now and you're wondering, okay, well, if network marketing isn't really a great option, what else is there out there to consider going with? Well, my personal recommendation is that if you are looking to build a business online, if you want to make a consistent income online where you could be working on your own terms, you could have much more freedom. My personal recommendation is not network marketing. What I prefer instead is another business model known as affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is very similar to network marketing in the fact that you are recommending other businesses products and earning a commission. But the only difference with affiliate marketing is that you aren't heavily relying on your members that you bring into the product that you're promoting. Does that make sense? So with affiliate marketing, what you're doing is you're just helping other businesses sell their products, and then you earn a commission whenever you refer a customer. So that's really as simple as that. And you don't have to deal with any inventory. There's no customer service. And most importantly, you don't have to train people one-on-one to get those results that you're, of course, getting. Instead, it's the company, if they provide training, they of course handle all the training for you. So that is why I personally recommend affiliate marketing. And the other reason why I think affiliate marketing is a much better business model is that commission rates can be much higher than with network marketing. With a lot of network marketing companies, a lot of them, like, they pay, maybe around like, 10 to 20%. And oftentimes you are promoting like these physical products where it's like, health shakes, protein powders, all the type of weight loss supplements and stuff like that. And since a lot of these products are like under $100, the commission rates aren't that high. And then also, since you're earning on your team members, then you do have to get them to, of course, replicate what you're able to do as well. So that's kind of the downside with network marketing. But affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is hands down the much better business to start in 2020 because you aren't heavily depending on other people to get you that consistent income online. And really, all it takes is you have to learn how to effectively market online. So as long as you're willing to do that, then you could definitely succeed with affiliate marketing. And there's just the way I see it, there's a much bigger earning potential with this industry than there is with network marketing. So if you're interested in learning about how to do affiliate marketing, you want to learn how to do this stuff step by step, I do have a free training you can check out down below in the first link in my description. And that will actually give you access to a free training where you're going to learn from my mentor on how to do affiliate marketing, how to build a long-term, profitable, stable business with affiliate marketing. So that's really what I recommend going for in the long term, is doing affiliate marketing. And the benefit with this training is that once you learn how to effectively market online, then you can go and market anything that you want. So whether it's products on ClickBank, whether it's products in JVZoo, if there's a specific network marketing company that you want to promote, you can use these strategies to promote network marketing and do this online rather than what a lot of these other network marketing companies teach, where recruit your friends and family, bug strangers in the mall, all the type of stuff. That's just not what I recommend going for in the long term. So if you want to learn how to market online and how to become your own independent entrepreneur, then my very first link down below will give you access to that free training right there. But anyways, really look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments down below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, because I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts. Do you agree with this message, or do you think that network marketing is a great industry? So I'd really be interested to hear your thoughts down below. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video and take care.